Howdy, howdy. Got a Dodge Charger here. I'm gonna get the motor out of it. Get this core support ripped out first. If we can do it again, where I get up under it and then we seem like it's cut down on the mess a whole lot. I think it's going. If I could get it to quit walking, I know y'all can't see nothing. If I get it to quit walking away from me. There it is, it did it again. How about that? How about that? If I get back here behind the alternator, that's kind of a decent little place to catch it. Then I can see if I can get behind the catalytic converter, the intake, or the exhaust manifold, I mean. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. And it broke the cat off. We're doing alright. We're doing alright. Easy. I had a squeak that was wearing me out, and I thought it was the steering ball. So I lubricated it, and then still heard the squeak, and it was my hand control underneath this rubber boot. It was wearing me out. I could hear it really bad in the videos. Alright, motor. I'm tired. It's hot. Mario's tired of watching me play with it. Come on up out of there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Man, stupid power steering line. What's up with that? It's hot, folks. It's hot, hot, hot. I tell you what, here's what I'm gonna do. Oh, Mario's already ready to bust it down. You know, I don't think that was a power steering line that was holding me up. But anyway, you see that the window's down and you can still bust the window through the door. Dodge has got a pretty good, decent little side impact. I ain't gonna lie, folks. Really, really. I crush these things all the time. Dodge has got a pretty good side impact. I'll give it to them on that. There you go. All right. There it is, folks. Dodge Charger. Removed from the highways and byways. I ain't got